How there?
Papaya.
Introduce more Peter. You introduce again.
Lettuce, and this is the beef.
Yeah.
So you have to wrap like this.
And you have to close your eyes.
Wow. Thank you.
How's it?
We are testing our
What? Just good.
Yeah. This is the zongtra.
stinky beans.
Sticky beans.
Stinky beans.
Like that, chidichu.
Joe, this is what I'm telling you about
This is
last time.
porridge. This
Still
is porridge,
remember?
mustard and beef.
Yeah.
And this is balme.
Jam.
Yam,
Jam chipikiti.
yam, anpui and sagop.
Yum and food and sago.
Sagop is dried
Dry
meat.
meat.
It's
Is
just
that what?
this.
Dry meat.
This is my favorite, one of my
Oh,
favorite.
really?
Yeah.
But dry
If it's your favorite, it will always be my favorite, I guess.
You have to try
Okay, that's
this.
all.
Just try everything.
Right.
Yeah, it's,
Yeah.
It's
And
good
then
to
this is the
It's good to explore, right?
yeah.
And then this is.
It will be a
Porridge.
treasure for you
Huh?
porridge.
Porridge.
because you never eat in Zambia. Same thing. It may taste better, but we
Yeah, my brother.
You
See
need
how
to-
it's pronouncing Zambia. Wow.
it's unique, right? Everything is unique.
Yeah, everything is unique. And then that is.
And thanks to our chef, two sisters cooking. Thank you. Thank
My
you
brother,
for
this
It's
is
that.
spicy, okay? It's spicy.
Yeah, it's
It's
spicy.
spicy, be careful.
That's how you taste food.
This for weekdays, but in my name, right?
This is for Benzene.
Ah.
My son. This is my
Thank
son.
Hey, wait. I'll take. This is Neo's son.
This is my son. My one
This
and
is-
only son.
Neo's son chewing.
Thank you.
Is the mother.
Yes, I'm the mother.
The mother now.
It's my turn now.
Wow. And that is the auntie. Benzo's is auntie. Sister Aquila. And then this is Mrs. Me, Mr. Me. How I'm enjoying. Oh. Guys, this is my first time tasting this, so don't mind. This is porridge. No, porridge is here. And then, guys, everything here is always spicy. Welcome to Cookie. I'm Tadao, and this is Cookie family. I'm Tadao. This is the Tadao tasty tradition. Guys, this is beef, huh? Yeah. This is beef. This is snake meat, guys. Here, I'm going to eat this. See me, Tadao guy. Cookie.
No, how to do that? It tastes like hell.
I like.
Okay.
Though this is sister now. She's been hit. Sister Neo.
Yes.
So guys, this is the latest.
Yeah, lettuce.
I never eat
It's
this in
Korean.
Zambia, but I'm in Singapore right now. Guys, this is Singapore. I'm eating this. In Singapore, you never eat this. So I'm in the capital city of Singapore.
Behind him is Eiffel Tower.
Then tomorrow I'm going to China. See guys, this is you see, this is veg.
You wrap the meat and eat.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do, I learned this from now. I have to wrap one smallest because this is spicy. So I'll wrap like this. As you can see, I'm from United States, so don't be surprised, guys. So this is it. I'm going to eat now.
Then you put it to Valley.
You have to mix this with Oma.
Bezos, post this. You get 500k. You always get 500k on what? What's this? YouTube.
Okay. This is my brother.
Guys, this is me. I'm in Singapore right now. Welcome to YTE channel. Okay.
Thank you for the motivation.
Tibale. Kami from Tibale.
Good job.
I love my cooking so much.
Champa. Me lo, me khalo na sot ta. Dikit ya. Champa. Sa champa me.
Campak.
Campak ni.
Campak.
Chi bong sa ki kan na. Zong la lagu bilang kan ya la cil kai la kan ngale.
Hey, this one tastes good, huh?
Yeah.
That is mustard.
Yeah.
This is the harbor of our sisters. Here. This is.
Benjamin, this is how we love you, okay? We cannot show other than this.
Hey, brothers.
Stop vlogging and eat more. I want you to.
1, 2, 3, start, my brother. How is meaningful food, my bro?
Tadao. Tadao, so see how I'm cleaning the plate.
Yeah.
That is how Thadao people do, right?
Yeah.
Your poster is also
They are all
completely
cooking. I'm
Thadao.
Tadao.
Okay.
Guys, subscribe to this channel.
I used to eat your cultural traditional food here in Endos, and I eat my cultural traditional food.
So
I
both of
always
you are.
eat your culture too. It's so sweet. I need to drink water.
Our tado guys, our cookie guys.
Oh good. Hey guys, don't be deceived. It's not spicy.
Yeah, it's not spicy actually. He's waiting, just waiting.
Just because he finished
You
up
can see.
his rice, all the rice in his plate. First time ever he's finishing his plate.
Katam niat po wen katiem me ba plate ni.
Ben na lung thay sel ta sana.
Lung thei ma mai. Chi nei thei ta toy.
Na kim lu.
Now.
You feel?
Yeah.
Now we are ready for chicken dance. We'll be ready for chicken dance.
Now.
What do you call this?
Let's see.
No, I mean this.
The plate.
Pan. That's a pan.
We're using this. A more traditional. So we were made it handy.
Here we
Hey
go.
guys, my name is Nick and I'm Tadao guy. So today I ate poison but I did not die. See, I'm alive.
Hey.
So this is
Zong how hai
You need to mention why they say that's poison, my
Zong how
brother.
hai amu aga ma poison hai tu. Zong
Yeah, guys.
mangge.
Jong la mangke to
Guys,
bana
you know why
pomegranate
she
chok
died
kita.
today?
Kolbu thai ki
na.
poison na the ki tu. Ani ngai lo within.
Chal pang to lawa ni athilo pi bitaw.
Hello guys, all of you who thought that this was poison. Oh god, I'm alive. This is not poison because of chili. It's spicy.
It's not because of chili. It's naturally and not
So guys, when I go back home, I'll eat everything.
And you have to send me, okay? It's very expensive in our area.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's very
Hey,
expensive.
we have a lot of this in my
You
home.
can just let it dry, and then you can send us.
And guys, pomegranate is not poison.
Tamarind too.
Tamarind.
Yeah,
Tamarind.
that's what you should tell them. The Zambians that
Yeah,
pomegranate.
it's here. It's one of my favorites. It's
Yeah, I want you to sing that song.
one of my favorite songs.
Alas sampai ni nak so many day boy.
Okay.
Kamu dan mana?
Now your face is not serious. Kaca bana.
Menang cara lah.
ไอ้คนที่ไล่บอลดิที่เขาไล่พาไปเลยที่เขาที่ไม่กันบอลมันจะเป็นก็เอาไปเนี่ยที่เขาไม่ไล่กันบอลดิไม่ได้จะว่า
Wait.
Ben come here เอ๊ะไอ้คนบ้าที่มึงเลย
Hey, new okay here. Just kaca bana.
2, 1.
ang mga kalum talaga dyan. Sawa. Sila ko maalum to.
Ang parang lang ang lula nga.
Seriously.
You need to